Well, we're here at Palisade State Park in Utah, very near the city of Manti. And in Manti, there's a structure. It's called the Temple of Manti. It's a church of Jesus Christ of the Latter-day Saints, the Mormons. Let's go check it out. Talking about a lazy day.
Yeah. That little dock to swim to.
I thought that was trees over there. You can see these people walking around over there. That's some tall people. Wow,
Beautiful
look at that.
place, man. I
Look
love
at
it.
that.
It's beautiful. We have to wait for the...
Yeah, we're going to go up there. Way up there.
Utah. I'm happy to be here.
Absolutely. Beautiful Utah. Well, you're talking about rural America. Yeah, this is Sterling.
No, this is not Sterling.
Oh, Manti, that's right.
Sterling was the other.
It's the other way. Typical small town USA.
Oh, there's a wedding. Or at least wedding photos.
House here. Wow, that's an original structure. No doubt 1800s.
That siding, I imagine they harvested that
Wow.
stone around here, you know?
Yeah.
They usually do that when they build a
So
local
it's
stone.
got a date on it, you know? Now look at this. General Blacksmith. W.M. Nelson. Holiness to the Lord.
I missed the down hall, I guess. It was probably in the church.
Right by the cemetery.
Dead end in two ways.
It's an entirely different way of living. They don't measure their snow in inches, they measure feet. That's private property. Gas is cheap around here.
A penny.
1 cent a gallon.
Well, diesel though.
think it
Oh,
goes
this is
down here
nice.
and goes around.
This is nice. This is part of it.
Yeah, this is part of the park.
That's a new section she was talking about.
As we came down here. It's not a generating dam, it's a reservoir dam. So here's some people up here.
Looks like there's a gate.